gas like a passion. No time to break. You don't need no action. 'Cause you are my treat. I pray for watching you. So wash your eye. Watch the TV. 'Cause time for lies.
Hi, this is me, Heaven. And this is Layla. Me and Layla are playing Animal Hospital because we both got fired and also because somebody don't know how to keep a job.
Who can't keep a job? Last time I checked, you got us fired. What do you mean? Anyways, guys, let's get into the video.
Girl, bye. Anyways, like she said, let's get into the video. Whoa, wait. Make sure y'all grab y'all snacks, y'all drinks, and y'all plushies before we get started. Oh, this new. Hey, thank you.
Absolutely not.
What?
Please leave.
What is Layla doing back?
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, it's Heaven.
And Layla, and today we're playing Animal Hospital.
By the way, we got fired from our last job because Layla killed the person.
I really didn't, but it's okay. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's get into the game.
Okay, y'all, so we made it into our first job. Okay, let's go.
Are you gonna check the menu?
Yeah, I'll check them in. You can check the camera. Hi, I'm Coco Woolaboo.
The cameras is on now.
Okay, then you could be the doctor.
I'm going to show you. That's really I love fall.
Okay, they're going to room 1.
Okay, Heaven, I think I'll treat him. He's gonna be room 1. Let's go to room 1. Please follow me. Okay.
Oh my
Ooh.
god.
They look
Why
like.
do they walk so slow? They should make them walk a little faster.
A little faster, but it's okay. Your little reindeer ears are so cute. Okay, we're just gonna take a sample. Sorry. Okay, we're gonna run a few tests. See if you're okay. See.
Hello. How are you? I want to check in as a patient.
Okay, because you was walking a little bit slow.
That's perfectly fine.
Oh, y'all, I just forgot. Oh. I almost pressed it again. But anyways. Y'all, I'll be scared to turn my back because I don't trust none of these. Dang. Okay, so he want a med kit, bandages, and herbs. Where the bandages? Oh. Okay, cool. Lovely girl, if you don't go to the front. Okay. Y'all, I'll be lying if I say I wasn't scared. Oh, hey, we got excellent.
Okay, good.
How you the best?
I don't know, because I'm back here treating the face. Absolutely not.
What?
Please leave.
Bro.
Bro.
Now they finna be banging a big head on the wall. Close it. Bro, he not even... Let me see.
Is he regular?
His...
Yeah, he's regular. His
Oh.
eyes like that. Scaring me.
He looks constipated. What do you got? Let me tell him to leave.
It's gonna make your brain power go down.
So, I don't care. It's okay. Who?
What he do?
Why he just turning his head like on me like that? Is you cool? Do you need that? Oh, okay.
Close the blinds.
A few moments later.
Oh, this new. This real new. Oh, I'm supposed to throw them away. Oh, I was about to say. Oh.
A few moments later.
Oh. Hi, sir. Okay, let me go take care of you. We got 4 patients.
Wait, I want to take care of him.
Okay, go take care of him. You was there. You was next to me this whole time.
He just pooped.
Ugh, that's nasty. Yeah. But
And I gotta clean it up. Evan, I need help.
Girl, clean it up.
I need
So then, what do you need help?
get some money for it.
They do give you money. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out why I still got $144. But anyways, oh, I'm supposed to be checking the cameras. Okay, you cool. I'm going to room 7. Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, got that little eye walk. Okay, I see you. Wait, what room? Oh, never mind. Layla, you still got that patient?
Yes.
Oh, well, there's another one. Come in room 7. I don't trust you, sir. You got human hair and a fake bunny body. Wonder if why you were hiring new people. Who?
Did I save this person? I hope I did. Who's next? Oh, this.
Okay, let's see. Okay, that's cute.
Okay.
No, it's not. Okay,
Well,
so
need some
you want me to
oil.
take your roof case?
Thermostat. Okay.
Okay, you got room 5. Okay,
Please
cool.
take a seat.
Hold on, what's in there? Oh, okay. Oh, well, heck no. Close my shutters. Cause that's patient on fire. Oh, that's new.
What a patient is this? Oh,
Girl, already talked to him. We talked, and I'm finna treat him, Layla.
okay.
And you need to go get that other patient in room 7.
Other patient taking forever to heal.
Okay, you're not supposed to sit in there while they healing and recovering. You supposed to go to the next room.
Dang it, how many people is it?
Let me go ahead, close this. Room 7.
They gonna need some help in room 7.
I'm going to room 2. I'm going to room 2, not that. Okay. I'm scared I'm gonna get that jump scared. Oh, love sugar.
Medicine hurt.
Maple syrup. Okay. Layla, can you go to the front?
Yeah, I'm done treating these 2 patients.
Did you just sign herself in?
No, she leaving. Because ain't nobody treat her. Bro, you're not getting no more coffee, bro.
Okay. And I need to fix this camera. Okay.
Boy, do you think I care if you don't like being refused?
Layla, did you even help the people in room 5?
Somebody's in room 5.
I know you freaking lying.
He's healing.
Oh, he's healing. Okay, come on. They healing. They both healing.
I'm in room 2.
They healing. Come on.
Oh,
Okay.
Daisy Bears. I have an appointment. You can check out. I'll just take them. Wow. Haven't we not given out no more
Okay. They got room 6.
Okay.
That cat, Layla, y'all remember? You remember when we got that cat? Is it real? Is it real?
That looks like a mouse.
A mouse, cause it's got a tail.
A little bit, basically.
Do I close it? Do I close it?
Copy the sequence.
Why are you looking at me like that? Like, boo? I'm scared he's gonna do something behind me. Okay. Layla, there's a patient coming to room 7. Talk about something strange. Boy, it's probably you that's strange. You, the shutters to reject people. Okay. Let me go ahead and help her because she's taking overly long. Is you?
Somebody coming to room 7?
I guess.
Maple syrup medicine. Maple syrup. Okay.
Guys, when y'all playing this game, don't ever press the skeletons or you gonna die. Are you gonna kill them?
What skeletons?
You know, like on a heart thingy?
Oh, yeah. Skulls?
Yeah, the skulls.
Let me go check some people in.
Or whatever. She gonna call me bad people.
Was that it?
Why he low-key taking forever to heal? I promise.
Is it another patient healing?
The patient I'm doing.
Better now. I'm pretty sure you do feel better.
What? You know, I guess. Just in case, cause I don't even play like that. Oh my god. What is Layla doing back here? And somebody in room 7 too. Oh, I'm about to die. Good thing I had that coffee because I was not trying to die. Oh, girl. And how did you even get on fire?
We died.
I think you died. Because you were just sitting there, not looking at the patient.
Girl, I just told you I'll be right back.
Should have took you with you.
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, this is unfortunately the end of the video because one of the patients that Layla was taking care of, they decided to fight her. Like,
it's okay, guys, but this is unfortunately the end because, yeah.
And stay tuned because we might make a part 2 of Mr. Mix.
Yes, and we already just got fired from the job.
Girl, we got fired because you died.
No.
But anyway.
Anyways, bye, guys.
Bye.